Maintaining your car's interior. Tips for long-lasting quality. Your car's interior is where you spend a significant amount of your time, and keeping it in good condition is essential for your comfort and the resale value of your vehicle. Regular maintenance and some simple habits can go a long way in preserving the interior of your car. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tips on how to maintain your car's interior. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Regular cleaning. Routine cleaning is the foundation of interior maintenance. Dust, dirt, and spills can accumulate over time and lead to wear and tear. Here's what you can do. Vacuuming. Use a car vacuum cleaner with various attachments to thoroughly clean carpets, seats, and hard-to-reach areas. Aim to vacuum at least once a month. Wipe down surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth or specially designed interior cleaning wipes to clean the dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, and other hard surfaces. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the materials. Floor mats. Remove floor mats and shake out loose dirt and debris. Clean them regularly and consider investing in high-quality, all-weather mats for added protection. Upholstery care. Your car's seats and upholstery can suffer from wear and stains. Protect and maintain them by seat covers. Consider using seat covers to shield your seats from spills and general wear. These can be removed and cleaned easily. Stain removal. If you spill something on the upholstery, act quickly to blot the stain with a clean cloth and mild soap and water. Avoid scrubbing, as it can push the stain deeper into the fabric. Leather and vinyl. Clean and condition leather and vinyl seats with products designed for these materials. This prevents cracking and maintains a supple feel. Dashboard and electronics. The dashboard and electronic components are vital for your driving experience. To keep them in good condition. Sunshades. Use a sunshade when parking in direct sunlight to prevent fading and cracking of the dashboard and to keep the interior cooler. Electronics. Handle touchscreen displays, buttons, and knobs with care to avoid scratching or damaging them. Use a microfiber cloth to clean screens gently. Cables and accessories. Avoid clutter and potential damage by organizing and securing cables, chargers, and accessories. Air fresheners. Maintain a pleasant interior scent with the use of car air fresheners or fragrance diffusers. Avoid overpowering scents and choose options that are easy to remove or replace. Spills and stains. Accidents happen. If you spill food, drinks, or any other liquids in your car, clean them up promptly to prevent odors and stains from setting in. Storage and organization. Keep your car organized to reduce clutter and the risk of damage. Glove compartment. Organize important documents, like your owner's manual and insurance information, in a folder or pouch. Center console. Use trays or organizers to keep items like keys, sunglasses, and phone chargers in place. Cargo area. If you use your trunk for storage, secure items with cargo nets or dividers to prevent them from shifting during travel. Child and pet care. If you have children or pets, take extra precautions to protect your interior. Car seats. Use protective covers or mats under child car seats to prevent indentations and spills. Pet accessories. Invest in seat covers, pet barriers, or carriers to keep your pets safe and your car clean. Regular maintenance. Don't forget to maintain your car's mechanical systems as well. A well-maintained engine and suspension can minimize vibrations and reduce wear and tear on the interior components. Parking habits. Choose your parking spots wisely. Avoid parking under trees where sap and debris can fall on your car, and be cautious in tight parking spaces to prevent door dings and scratches. Seasonal considerations. Adjust your interior maintenance routine to match the seasons. In winter, protect your mats from salt and slush, while in summer, use sunshades to shield against UV rays. Conclusion. Maintaining your car's interior in good condition not only enhances your driving experience, but also contributes to the long-term value of your vehicle. By following these tips and adopting good habits, you can enjoy a clean, comfortable, and well-preserved interior for years to come. Remember that regular care and attention to detail are key to keeping your car's interior looking and feeling its best. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.